Obtain Taylor series expansion of the function x sin x about a equal to 0 and n is equal to 4. From Taylor series expansion we know a function fx can be written as fa plus x minus a divided by factorial 1 first derivative of the function at x equal to a plus x minus a whole square divided by factorial 2 second derivative of the function at x equal to a. Similarly for third derivative and up to nth derivative, but here it is given a equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then the Taylor series is also called the Maclaurin series, and here the value of n is equal to, given the value of n is equal to 4. That means we have to find out the, or you have to expand the Taylor series up to n is equal to 4. That means 5 number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is for n is equal to 3. The next term will be n is equal to 4. So we will find out up to fourth derivative of the given function, that is x equal to sin x. So here the function is given x equal to sin x. So to find out if a, that means at a equal to 0, then the function will be equal to 0 into sin 0. So this will be equal to 0. Then we will find out the first derivative of the function. The first derivative of the function f dash x of x sin x. This is a multiplication of two functions. First function x, second function sin x. So its derivative will be first function x, then derivative of the second derivative of sin x is cos x, plus the second function, that is sin x, and derivative of the first, that is derivative of x, will be equal to 1. So the first derivative of the given function will be equal to x cos x plus sin x, x cos x plus sin x. So what will be f dash 0? That means the first derivative of the function at a equal to 0. This will be equal to 0 into cos 0 plus sin 0. 0 into cos 0 is equal to 0 plus sin 0 equal to 0. So first derivative will be equal to 0. Then we will find out the second derivative of the function. If you calculate the second derivative of this function, then this is a product function. So its derivative will be the first function, then derivative of the second, derivative of cos x will be equal to minus sin x, plus the second function, that is cos x, derivative of the first function, that is x, which is equal to 1, plus the derivative of this function sin x will be equal to cos x. So this will be equal to minus x sin x plus the here cos x and here cos x, so 2 cos x. So what will be the second derivative of the function at x equal to 0 or equal to 0? If you put x equal to 0 here, 0 into sin 0, this will be equal to 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, 1 into 2, 2. So the second derivative will be equal to 2. Now let us calculate the third derivative of the function. If you calculate, take the derivative of this function, then it will be equal to the third derivative of the function. This function x sin x is equal to fx. So the third derivative will be minus f dash x plus what will be the derivative of 2 cos x, 2 into minus sin x. So this will be the third derivative, and f dash x or f dash 0 is equal to 0. So this term is equal to 0, then minus 2 into sin 0, that will be also equal to 0. So the third derivative will be equal to 0. Now you calculate the fourth derivative of the function. So fourth derivative of this function will be equal to f double dash x, that minus f double dash x for this, and for this it will be equal to minus 2, and derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and f double dash x. If we find out the fourth derivative at a equal to 0, then f double dash x we have found out it is equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 minus 2 into cos 0 1. So result will be minus 2, again minus 2, this will be equal to minus 4. So we have found out the different derivatives, first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, and fourth derivative. So the given function x sin x will be equal to the fa is equal to 0 or f0 is equal to 0 we have found out. The second term is x divided by factorial 1, f dash 0 is equal to 0, and third term is x square by factorial 2, f double dash 0 is equal to 2, x cube divided by factorial 3, f triple dash 0 is equal to 0, and f x to the power 4 divided by factorial 4, and f fourth derivative is equal to minus 4. So if you simplify it, then this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be equal to x square, because factorial 2 here 2, they will cancel, so it will be equal to x square, this will be equal to 0, and here 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 cancels, so only in the denominator you have 6, 3 into 2 6, and in the numerator you have x to the power 4. So the expansion of x sin x is equal to x square minus x4 divided by 6. Thank you.